introduce you to Orchid, my 1951 Custom Deluxe Ford convertible. In my opinion, Orchid is one of the finest 51 Custom Deluxe convertibles available in the country. She underwent a frame-off, ground-up, every nut and bolt restoration, and has won everything there is to win. She is finished in a beautiful Sheraton blue with black and red leather interior, wide white-walled silver-tone tires, Ford scripted dog dish hubcaps with chrome moldings, and when you look down the sides of it, of Orchid Sam, she is as straight as an arrow. There's not a parking lot nick or ding on her anywhere, and it was an open checkbook restoration, not a question of how much, only how good. The beautiful contrasting interior is the red and black leather interior. Look at the beautiful door panels, which are tri-colored.
Beautiful. And the sill plate, look at how it's perfect.
Not how much, only how good. There's a factory spot lamp, full instrumentation with everything working, the deluxe push-button stereophonic radio, an electric clock, cigar lighter which is unused, beautiful deluxe horn and steering wheel, horn ring and steering wheel. And the interior, Sam, as you can see, is like brand new. There's no wear even on the driver's portion for entry and exit.
Norm, I don't think I've ever seen this in a mirror with service items posted on the mirror.
Sam, thank you for pointing that out, because I didn't know it existed, but it's a beautiful vanity mirror with all of the maintenance that can be listed, which would be very, very convenient.
It's a 3-speed manual, correct?
We called it 3-speed on the tree. It has factory turn signals, which was a highly desirable option in 51. Today those are standard on all cars, but not back in the day. It has the deluxe magic air heating and defrost system, and it has the vent windows.
A big vent window.
Yes, big vent windows. That was factory air back in the day. It has a courtesy lamp, the manual choke. It also has the beautiful and optional deluxe hood medallion.
Oh yeah, with the acrylic wing on the top.
Exactly. As we move around, you'll see the chrome door edge molding, the ribbed rear fender skirts, even the optional gas door.
That's a nice chrome dress-up package.
Chrome dress-up is available. When we move around back, you'll see there's bumper guards, which are available in both the front and the back. The bright work on it was replaced to it was a triple plated and replaced to the highest quality. There's a chrome V8 scripted exhaust deflector. In the trunk, you'll see the 5th wide white wall silver tone spare, which is unused, along with the jack. The rubber molding around the trunk, the doors, and the windows is all like brand new.
Very nice.
Again, when you look down the sides of it, it is laser straight. Not a parking lot nick or ding or scratch anywhere.
Probably another part of that option package are the door edge guards. I mean, those didn't come on everything back then.
Everything was a dealer option back in the day. Now that you mentioned that, the dual side view mirrors, chrome mirrors, was also an option, which this is equipped with.
I love it. Even ashtrays in the back seat. Beautiful.
Back in the day, smoking was very fashionable. Again, the seating, the dash, split windshield, which Sam, you enjoy on these vintage cars.
Now that's back before they had curved glass technology, is that right?
That's exactly right. That is the original owner's manual from 1951.
Incredible. I love the little details that they did back then. I like that little V8 emblem. I mean, why? Because they could.
Yes.
Very nice.
Orchid is equipped with the optional V8 famous flathead engine, which was 239 cubic inch displacement, 100 horsepower. It has the original 6-volt electrical system. The engine compartment is finished to show quality standards. It is absolutely beautiful. You know, the hoses are all Ford scripted. It has the correct hose clamps. As you may know, the 51 was the very last and best of the shoebox Ford. Many vintage Ford aficionados consider the Custom Deluxe convertible highly prized. Now, the small number of Custom Deluxe convertibles produced in 51, only a limited number remain in this condition and color combination. If you are seeking a great shoebox convertible, you will likely be most favorably impressed with this magnificent example. It is absolutely pristine throughout.
Wow.
Isn't that sweet?
Just wow, yeah. Okay, bring it down.
Sam, I love the sound of these old flathead V8 engines.
They're just amazing. It's such a beautiful looking engine to start with.
It is.
And they run so well.
Yeah. They were the standard of reliability and performance back in the day. The hot rodders loved these flatheads, which they put in anything they could find because it would outrun anything on the street.
Very nice.
Orchid is equipped with the optional and highly desirable 239 cubic inch displacement V8 famous flathead engine. The moonshiners in North Georgia loved the flatheads because they could outrun the 6-cylinder Chevrolets with the smaller sheriff's department when they were coming into downtown Atlanta to drop their shine off Friday evening. The engine compartment, as well as the undercarriage, are show quality. It is absolutely stunning. With the correct hoses, the correct clamps, even the correct 6-volt battery cables, which you see there. It has the optional oil filter, and during the restoration, Sam, it was completely rewired with the correct braided wire.
Look at that. Wow.
From front to rear, as you can see on both sides.
So is it 6-volt?
It is a 6-volt electrical system, which is exactly how they came back in the day.
Very nice. Look at the size of those horns.
You could hear those.
I'll bet you can. So this is a 3-speed manual.
It is. 3 on the tree is what they call it sometimes, of course, with a double clutch.
Nice. I just love how they did a split window back then. I mean, right down the seam, right down the middle. They weren't really good at bending glass yet.
I mean, the lines on the early 50s, 60s. I mean, just it really captures something that they don't find too much of today. It's more smoother lines, it seems like.
Yep. Well, and Norm has had a lot of these older generation cars, and this one is done to a high level, especially the interior. It's so clean.
I would have to agree with you. You know, seeing these cars and knowing these cars, and you know, being 49 right now and getting behind the wheel of something that's from 1951, it really captures, for my generation, what it is to really appreciate what these cars are and the quality in them, and you know, every single one has its own unique story. It is a manual top on this particular model.